Okay, today we are going to learn how to create a custom function to compute the absolute value of a number. We can use the ABX function that is incorporated in Python, but in this exercise we need to create a custom function to compute the absolute value for a specific number. So in the first case, we create a function using the det keyword. We can call it compute absolute ABX, ABX, open parentheses, and we specify a parameter called number. Inside the implementation, the body of this function, we will write these instructions. In a return statement, we code the following expression. We return number if is greater or equal to 0. Number greater or equal to 0. In the other case, otherwise, we return the multiplication of that number by -1, or simply we invert the symbol, number, the sign number. Okay, and now we can text this function in a print statement. We call compute ABX, and we pass, for example, 7. We get the 7 number. Execute, and we get 7. That is right. And now we call this we call again the compute function, the compute ABX function, compute ABX, open parentheses, and we specify -7. The result will be the same, the absolute value of 7. It is 7. Okay, execute, and we get 7. That is right.